ही जी कंप्लेंट दिल्ली आसा ती शालिनी गोम्स हाणें दिल्ली आसा आनी ताणें कंप्लेनीन अशें म्हटलें ट्रेसपासींग आनी एनक्रोचमेंट करता आनी तेंचेर ह्या कंप्लेनी आनी खास करून MLAचेर आयज ही कंप्लेंट बरोवपाचें कारण कितें म्हाका दिसता आमकां गोंयान म्हणटा तें आमी गुंडा MLA गुंडा हें पिक्चर आमकां काडचें पडटलें दिसता कारण म्हाका दिसता आयज हो एक नाचक्की करून दवरल्या आमच्या मायकल लोबो आनी दिलाला लोबोन वायट दिसता तेंची प्रॉपर्टी आनी हो आपूण बिंदास्त बांदपाक सोदता चॅपेल तुवें म्हणलां मरे आनी मागीर आतां कित्याक तूं हें करता तेंचें परमिशन तुवें घेतलें काय ना हो खंयचो न्याय आसा ज्या दिसा आमचे विश्वजीत राणेन हेंचें हॉटेल मोडपाक काडलें तेन्ना ही रडटाली मरे तेन्ना म्हणटाली आमच्या पोटार आड येता मरे म्हणटाली आनी आयज आनी तो मायकल म्हणटालो म्हाजी बायल केन्ना रडोंक ना फर्स्ट टायम रडली हे दुख्ख दिसता दुसऱ्यांचें तुमकां मोडपाक दुसऱ्यांचें एनकरेजमेंट करपाक तुमकां जाता डेव्हलपमेंटाच्या नांवार ही खरें म्हटल्यार फसवणूक आसा गोंय आमच्या अंजुनकरांची हितून कितें तरी साचलेलें आसा आनी जी थरेली इन्क्वायरी जावंक जाय हो कित्या खातीर थंय 12 वरां 15 वरां थंय बसलेलो आसता आनी कारण कितें आनी रातचें काम कशें करता हो 11 11:30 पर्यंत हें म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी आमकां हें बदलपाची गरज जावन आसा डेव्हलपमेंटाच्या नांवार हें आपलो पोट कशें भरतलें हें पळयता कारण प्रॉपर्टी कोणाची त्या प्रॉपर्टीवाल्याक विचारी नासतना तुमी आयज बांदपाक काम करता हो खंयचो न्याय जावन आसा खंयचो MLA हो म्हणूनच म्हणटा प्रमोद सावंतान एक डायरेक्ट करपाचें पिक्चर आनी त्या पिक्चराचें नांव बरोवपाचें गुंडा MLA.
मॅडम कित्याक पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर येयला तुमी अंजुना speaking English.
Okay, so no, we just came to put a complaint that there was this road activity happening, widening of road. So we did not know about it, and our relatives, they informed us about this activity. So what happened is that since we were not informed, because of that also, that the cross that was there, that has been broken from the front. So there is an extension that is happening behind. So all this activity had started and we did not know about it. So once we came to know, we came here immediately because we were not informed, and without our permission this was being done. So we just wanted to stop it because we have to have a discussion properly. We need to have a discussion and then we can, whatever action has to be taken can be taken. But first we need to have a discussion with the family and all also, and then have an amicable discussion with the Vado people also. Okay. So just for safeguarding and that to keep everything in proper. So that's why we just put a complaint that tomorrow if
against whom?
This is for the whole lot of everything together that has happened, because that is all that is happening over there. So just that after we go, then the activity should not start again.
No, you complaint against authority, government or MLA or whom it is?
So we just put a complaint against trespassing and encroachment by the village also, and the road widening activity also.
Okay.
So for both together, because one resulted in the other. So for all that we have.
We came, आमकां गोमन येयलें की रोड वायडनींग चलता म्हणून कुमारवाडा this and all that thing. So as a villager, we went to on Sunday to see there. On Sunday also work was going on without, and then Michael Lobo and his wife was actually monitoring the place as like a contractor. And then when all the villagers asked them about the order and all, they did not have. So then I came to know that they have encroached in my relative's property also. There was a cross there. They want to extend. This fellow who's that punch member on his talk, he said, we'll break the cross and we will extend it behind. So at that moment I told, how can he extend behind when the permission is not given by the owner? So at that moment I informed my relative about it and all, and I said, you all take the action, whatever you all want to take. I said, whatever it is. I said, so and so thing is going on. So that's how they came to go all the way from wherever they are staying, and now they have complained about it. They also came to know that they are illegal activity, trespasses is going. I mean, people have trespassed in their property and without informing them, and they are building they have taken a bigger chunk of area to build a cross. So this is the why I'm just there with them, because they are my relative. We believe in our relation, and we want to maintain everyone's relationship, even in Kumarwado. In spite of telling all those villages in Kumarwada, stop the order, talk to them, still they did not listen to it. Like, they said no, it is not their property, it is like, it is bring the papers, like they were overpowering it. So I said, okay, leave it. I told them, see, I have informed the rightful owners about it and all, they will take care about it. That's what.
And what police will do now next?
So they have given a complaint now on police saying that when they are away, the work should not go, nobody should trespass in their property once, like, as they have done now illegally. So for their safeguard, they have given the what is that complaint. This thing, and they have told the MLA also and the ward people to stop the work.
Okay.
I hope they listen to them at least. When I have told them they did not listen, I hope they listen to the owner at least. Still they come to their settlement with the other member of the family.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
that's it.